እዩት ጌታ እንዴት ለኛ ዋጋ እንደከፈለ።
How long would you survive crucifixion? First, your hands and feet are nailed to the wood. The nails go through your wrists to support your weight. 10 minutes. Your body hangs downward. Breathing becomes difficult. To breathe in, you must push yourself up using your legs. To breathe out, you collapse back down. 1 hour. Your shoulders begin to dislocate from your body weight. Your arms stretch longer like Reed Richards. 6 hours. Carbon dioxide builds up in your blood. Your brain starts to panic from oxygen imbalance. 12 hours. Your muscles begin to lose nerve control. Severe muscle spasms and tremors begin. Your body can no longer coordinate proper breathing. 18 hours. Your diaphragm begins to fail. Your lungs can no longer fully expand. You start drifting in and out of consciousness. 24 hours. Your heart can't take no long.
ይሄ ነው እንግዲህ እግዚአብሔር እኛ የዘላለም ሕይወት እንድናገኝ የከፈለልን ዋጋ። ይህንን ሕይወት አቃሉ ሰው ከዚህ ወዲህ ምን አይነት ዋጋ ሊከፈልለት ይችላል? ለ80 ለ90 ለ100 ዓመት ኑሮ ተብሎ የዘላለም ሕይወት አይጣልም። የዚህን ያህል ሲሪየስ ነው የዘላለም ሕይወት። ይሁት ጌታ እንዴት ለኛ ዋጋ እንደከፈለ።
How long would you survive crucifixion? First, your hands and feet are nailed to the wood. The nails go through